I'm more interested in the package than the actual taste of it. It's a no-go. Right, puppy? The package smells good. This is the contents. All right then. Okay then. Okay. Gimme ball. Gimme ball. Gimme ball. Hey boy. Hey boy. You're so cute. It's your little half zip end. Is that a word? Zipped. Get you back together.